What's good guys? Welcome back to my channel. Ako nga pala si JAYROQS, ang inyong OFW na kapadyak dito sa Middle East. Today, unboxing muna tayo ng bagong Nukeproof Neutron Half Waffle Lock-on Grips, which I believe na isa sa pinaka-important contact point natin sa bike besides sa pedals. Bali, nakuha ko to sa one of the resellers here dito sa Abu Dhabi. Nakuha ko to as budget meal price. So, shout out sa you sir. So, without further ado, let's open up the box. Once we open up the box, we will get the instruction manual along with the welcome notes and product description. From the manual itself, naka-indicate na kung anong size ng Allen key na gagamitin natin, which is 2.5 mm. Onto the grip itself, we had the typical scale finish along with the main features of the grip, which is the waffle stripe finish, which makes this grip more stickier dahil sa extra added traction nito. Alright, install na natin. Like everything. Final thought para sa product na to, durability. Take for example itong jump na to. Medyo nag-dead sailor na ako sa ere. And notice na awkward na yung landing ko. Upon landing din, dun na ako nawala ng control at tuluyan na nag-crash. Durability wise, yes, it can last and it can stand all the impact and crashes na pwedeng mangyari while we are riding our bikes. One more example is, on this jump, I try to land nose heavy para ma-determine kung dudulas ba ang mga kamay ko sa grip. Note na hindi ako naka-glove sa part na ito, but from the video itself, both of my hands are still in place. Comfortability wise, like what I said, kahit dusty, muddy, and wet yung terrain na pinagdaridan natin, o kahit napasmado yung mga kamay mo, expect grippiness dito dahil sa waffle stripe niya na nagbibigay ng extra traction habang nakahawak ka dito. But I recommend na to wear gloves to added more grips and protection while you're riding a bike. And there you have it guys. Hope you find my video useful nga pala. And once again, ako nga pala si JAYROQS, ang inyong OFW na kapadyak dito sa Middle East. Stay safe, ride safe, and peace be with you all.